Hello and welcome back to our channel where we explore the world of agriculture and farming. In today's video, we are going to learn and know about greenhouse farming. It is a method of agriculture that's gaining popularity around the world. Greenhouse farming involves the growing crops inside a controlled environment such as greenhouse or other structure. This can help to protect plants from harsh weather conditions and pests and can allow for year-round production of certain crops. One of the main advantages of greenhouse farming is that it allows farmers to grow crops in areas where traditional farming may not be possible. Greenhouse farming can also be more efficient than traditional farming methods. By controlling the environment and optimizing the growing conditions, farmers can often produce higher yields of crops and reduce water and fertilizer use. And another advantage of greenhouse farming is that it can be reduce the need for pesticides and other chemicals. Since the environment is more controlled, farmers may be able to rely on the natural pest control methods and can reduce their reliance on chemical pesticides. However, there are also some challenges to greenhouse farming. One of the biggest challenges is that initial investment required to build and maintain a greenhouse. Greenhouses can be expensive to construct and require ongoing maintenance and monitoring. And another challenge is the energy required to power the greenhouse environment. Heating and cooling system can be energy intensive, and greenhouse farmers need to carefully manage the energy used to reduce cost and minimize the environmental impact. In conclusion, greenhouse farming is a promising method of agriculture that can help to improve the efficiency and production, reduce the environmental impact of farming, and allow farmers to grow crops in challenging environments. While there are challenges, the benefits of greenhouse farming make it an important part of our agricultural future. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the more interesting videos on agriculture sector. See you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.